Alright folks, in this video here, we will be working on page E131. We will be working on some of the subtraction, question number 5 and question number 6. So first of all, we have a mixed fraction subtracting a regular fraction. So always find the LCM. In this case, we will find 8 as our LCM for 4 and 8. And then the 1, 2 over 8 can be changed into 10 over 8 just because that this 2 as the numerator is too small. Okay, so going back, we have 10 over 8 minus 5 over 8. The answer will be 5 over 8. So similarly, we can try question number 6. Can you guys pause the video for a little bit and see if you can find the LCM for 8 and 3? Okay. So the LCM for 8 and 3 should be 24. So this will be 1, 3 over 24, subtracting 16 over 24, okay? And then, as we know that our numerator for the mixed number is too small, so we need to borrow from the whole number here, 1. And then, so this becomes 27. Let's emphasize this one more time. How do we get this 27 again? So our operation works like this. 1, which is the whole number 1, multiplied by the 24, which is the denominator 24, plus 3, which is the numerator 3. Okay? So now we will use 27 over 24, subtracting 16 over 24. And our answer will be 11 over 24. Okay? So now, let's work on a couple more questions, 7, 9, 11. So 6 and 16. Let's pause the video for a little bit and see if you will be able to find the LCM for 6 and 16. And I will show you guys a way to find LCM at all times. Okay, so the LCM for 6 and 16 can be done using this method. First, draw a line that looks like this. Kind of looks like reverse division. And then we're trying to figure out a number that can be divided by both 6 and 16 together. In this case, we'll try 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Now, there's no number that can be divided by 3 and 8 at the same time. So all we need to do is we multiply 2 with the 3 with the 8. In this case, the answer is 48. So that's our LCM, 48. So the first number, 2, 5 over 6, will become 40 over 48. And then the next number over here will become 21, 48. Pretty easy. We use 2 minus the 1, we'll get 1 here. And since our numerator of 40 is actually bigger than the 21, we'll get 19 over here. And this will be 119 over 48. Next question, let's try number 9. 2, 24, 11 minus 24, 21. And we notice that, hey, my numerator is smaller than 21. What do? Do I borrow something from the 2? Yes, absolutely. So the way for us to do this is by borrowing 1 from the 2. And how do I do that? Now this mixed number becomes 1, and then the 24 remains unchanged. However, the top numerator will become 35. Let me go through the whole process of changing 2, 11 over 24 to 1, 35 over 24 one more time for you. First, we notice that 11 is too small than a 21. Then we figure out, I have a mixed number on the side, but I do not need that much of that mixed number. I don't need all 2 of them. I probably just need 1. So what happened is that 2 will lend 1 to, so this 1 will multiply the old denominator 24 and plus the numerator 11. That's how you get the 35. Now, I subtract the 21 over 24 over here. Now, as you can see that the new numerator, which is 35, is actually bigger than the 21. So this answer will be 24 over 24. Oh, my bad. 14 over 24. And then this will be 7 over 12. And that's the final answer for question number 9. So last question, we are going to do question number 11. LCM for 12 and 15. You guys want to pause the video for a little bit and see if you can find the LCM? Okay, welcome back. The LCM is 60. 25 minus 60, 16. So this is actually very easy for us to handle because the 25 is actually bigger than 16. So nothing changed. One, 3 over 20 is our answer. Okay, last question. Let's try question number 12. So a lot of students ask me, Tony, how do we deal with a whole number subtracting another mixed number or a regular fraction? Do I change this 5 into 20 over 4, something like that? Or I could just simply change this 5 into 4 over 4. How can I do that? Notice that 4 is just a whole number 4. But 4 over 4 will be 1. 4 plus 1 is actually 5. So I'm able to dissemble the 5 into a whole number and also a fraction. And you might want to ask, Tony, how do I know what kind of number do I put as a fraction? You can actually refer to the fraction that you're being subtracted from, right? If let's say this question is 3 over 8 instead. So instead of putting 4 over 4, I will actually write 8 over 8. So that 8 matches with the other 8, which makes our calculation so much easier. So the answer for this question would be 4 over 4 minus 2, 3 over 4, which is 4 minus 2 is 2, 4 minus 3 is 1. So that's how you do this type of question. Hopefully this video hopefully this video helps you. And if you have any question, comment below or like the video and let me know if you guys want any other videos. Thank you.